Welcome to another edition of The View with Visit Bellevue. I'm your host, Nelson Yong. Today, we're going to give you a sneak peek into the Bellevue brunch experience. From the elevated and lavish brunch on the 31st floor at Ascend Prime Steak Sushi to the fresh-baked brasserie-style brunch options at Farine Bakery Cafe, let's get a taste of what Bellevue has to offer. I am on the 31st floor at Ascend Prime Steak Sushi, and we're here actually to check out their brunch with Executive Chef Brandon Meal. What gets you excited about specifically this brunch menu?
Being able to recreate some of my childhood favorite items and put the Ascend twist and flair on them is a great opportunity for me.
Tell me about the fried rice.
All right, so the fried rice, kind of a staple breakfast food, right? And just trying to figure out a way to encapsulate it in this eggshell so it's unique. You cut into it, you see this very bright beet red rice.
Right.
It's got our Wagyu beef in there, and then garnished with a little ube tuile. It's kind of a very unique dish.
What else would you say is a must order here at Ascend?
I would go with definitely the chicken and waffle, and then the pork belly hash. We do a cinnamon roll pancake, so we actually essentially take all the ingredients of a cinnamon roll, but we do it in pancake form, and then we roll it up, and then it gets served with a bunch of fresh berries and some wonderful maple syrup, which I also love maple syrup.
Amazing too. Thanks for having us, Chef.
Thank you very much.
Absolutely.
Appreciate it, sir.
We are here at Farine Bakery Cafe, located so central here in downtown Bellevue. Olivier has opened this bakery and cafe here a couple years ago.
Well, thanks for having me, guys, and thanks for coming. The community is responding really well, and that's exactly what I try to do: be a community hub and bring the good stuff at a good price, keep the quality high. We do produce 1,000 croissants a day by hand, and it's a science. We have 12 bakers on staff full time. Opened my little bakery cafe because that's what I was missing in the neighborhood, a place where I could go, community place where I could go have a good croissant, a good waffle. I'm Belgian, and I could find one. So I said, you know what? I'm going to create one.
There are endless brunch options in Bellevue, and this is just a sampling of what you can get. Thank you again for joining us at The View with Visit Bellevue. I'm Nelson Yong, and I'm full from brunch, and I'm ready for a walk around downtown park. See you next time.